Hey you guys, it's Lil Self again, and today I am going to do a makeup tutorial. So you want to start off with moisturizing your face after you washed it. You want to put it over your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. And rub it in. Then you want to use the Pore Matte Finish. You want to put on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and rub it in. You want to put it all over your face, including your eyes as well, and hair. Not hair, but eyebrow hairs as well. Next, we're using Anastasia Brow Wiz Chocolate. You want to move your brows up with the spool. Move your hair up. And you want to do the same for the other eyebrow. Then you want to start at the tip and then smooth it out. Even it out. And then you want to fill it in. So you want to start at the bottom, kind of on the outward end, but not too much out, and start following the natural hairline. You want to keep doing that. You want to keep following the natural arch, if you have one, and curve, and bring it down to the tail. I want my tail right there, so yeah. And then start at the top, but don't go too far out like you did at the bottom. You want to start at the actual edge, and well, not at the edge, but quarter of the edge, and then follow that natural hairline, brow line. Follow that natural arch and bring it down. Now I have naturally thick eyebrows, so I really don't have to fill them in. I am filling them in, but I'm not going to use any brow pomade or nothing like that because my eyebrows are thick. And you want to do the same for the other eyebrow as well. So you want to fill them in until it's to your liking. And do the same for that. You want to start out at the edge, follow that natural brow line. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. My ring light and my natural sunlight is crazy. So you will see two different things. And you want to use the spool and blend it out so you won't see the pencil marks. And it should look clean like that. And do the same for the other brow. You want to blend it out so the pencil mark will not be there. And still smooth it out. Follow that natural line. Now we're using LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in Warm Honey, and you want to follow that line. And curve it and bring it down just past your tail, and do the same for the other eyebrow. Bring it down some. And now I'm using an angle brush to bring the concealer down. It's by the Crown Case. It's for $2, and you want to clean it up. That's the whole purpose of using concealer, to clean it up. And like I said, you want to bring the concealer down towards your eyelids. And that's how it should look so far. And now I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix NC 46. The reason why I'm using foundation instead of concealer is because I do not want that halo effect. I want the foundation to blend in. So like the bottom, you want to follow your natural brow line. You want to curve and bring the tail down. And I'm using my fingers and I'm going upwards instead of down. So you want to bring it up. I like using my ring finger to blend it in. You don't have to. You can use your angle brush if you want to, but I just like using my fingers. And that's how you do your eyebrows. Look how natural they look and clean. And I will do another tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I will do the rest of the tutorial later on. Bye.